ASOM 520 CORDER microscope, designed for dental end, with achromatic optical design. It has smart, flexible and smooth, with great depth of view for your all treatment. LED brightness continuously adjustable. Switchable green filter, yellow filter in small spot. The green filter can see more clearly in a blood environment. Motorized 200 to 500 ampere focus objective lens. The zoom range is large, which is convenient for doctors to quickly find the correct focal length without adjusting the whole head. 0 to 200 degree variable angle binocular tube. The angle can be adjusted arbitrarily to meet the doctor's need to keep an upright sitting position and look at teeth at different angle. Pupil distance adjustment. The distance is visible, which is convenient for doctors to adjust. Eyepiece adjustment. It can be used with or without glasses. The knob type objective lens, dust cover is easy to replace. The front handle can support one-hand control. During the operation, one hand can operate the microscope head, and the arm grasping position will not feel tired. German imported gas spring. The optimized forward structure enables you to move microscope any desired working angle, conveniently and precisely. ASOM 520 high-performance microscope is the perfect combination of excellent optical quality and comfortable handling.